guys, how are you today? I am Miss Cavalcante and we are starting one more class. Let's go! Okay guys, how are you today? Are you happy, sad, angry, or sleepy? I am happy today and I hope you are too. Did you notice anything different today? I am not in my bedroom today. I am in the kitchen because today we're going to have an awesome cooking class. That's why we are in the kitchen. The kitchen is the place where we cook. Let's start. Okay guys, now pay attention because this is very important, ok? Não vamos fazer a aula de hoje sozinhos. Para a aula de hoje vocês vão precisar chamar o papai, a mamãe ou qualquer adulto que more na sua casa que possa te ajudar a fazer essa atividade, tá bom? Vamos começar? Today we are going to make an awesome fruit salad. For that we are going to need grapes, orange, apple, and banana. Let's remember, what color are those fruits? What color are those grapes? Yes, they are purple. And the orange, what color are they? They are green on the outside, but inside they are orange. And the apple, what color is the apple? Yes, guys, it is red. And the banana, what color is this? It is yellow. Very good. Okay, guys, now we can start. The first thing we need to do is to wash all those fruits very carefully. Let's go. Okay guys, now we are going to squeeze the orange because we are only going to need its juice, okay? Squeeze them. Okay guys, now we can leave the orange juice resting and we are going to peel the apples, okay? Be careful. Okay guys, now we are going to peel the banana and we are going to cut the bananas and the apples in small equal sizes, okay? We are almost done, guys. Now we are going to put the apple, the banana, and the grapes inside a bowl. We are going to spill the orange juice on top of it. Then we just leave for a few minutes in the fridge and it's going to be ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this delicious and healthy meal. And I hope you have enjoyed the class today, okay? See you next week, guys. Goodbye!